The Maltese Falcon, built by Perini Navi in Tuzla, Turkey, is a ship-rigged sailing luxury yacht, commissioned and formerly owned by American venture capitalist Tom Perkins. It is one of the largest privately owned sailing yachts in the world at 88 am, similar to Royal Huisman's Athena and La 1/4 RSSEN's IKOS. The yacht was sold in 2009 to Elena Ambrosiadou, the founder of IKOS Ltd, the Cyprus-based hedge fund. Provenance: it was built after the Donaship concept, a 1960s invention of the German hydraulics engineer Wilhelm Paragraph LSS, which was intended to operate commercial freight sailing ships with as few crew as possible. The ship has 15 square sails, stored inside the mast. They can fully unfurl into tracks along the yards in 6 minutes. The 3 carbon fiber masts, which are freestanding and able to rotate, were manufactured and assembled by a company financed by Perkins at the Perini Navi Istanbul Yıldız Gemi Yard in Tuzla, 50 mi east of Istanbul, Turkey, under the supervision of the English company Insense and Dutch company Gerard Dijkstra and Partners. Other design was provided by Ken Vrievok Design. The Maltese Falcon was the third yacht built by Perini for Perkins. The yacht is easily controlled and has been seen to sail off her anchor and away from berths within harbors. The yacht's sophisticated computer detects parameters such as wind speed automatically and displays key data. An operator must always activate the controls, yet it is possible for a single person to pilot the yacht. In a radio interview for the BBC World Service's Global Business Programme broadcast in December 2007, Perkins claimed that he personally wrote some of the yacht's unique control software. The Maltese Falcon has two 1,800 horsepower Deutz engines running at 1,800 RPMs with a top speed of 20 kn with minimal wave making and virtually no vibration or noise, and with a smooth and non-turbulent wake. The yacht has a permanent crew of 18 to maintain the technical aspects, including the rig, and to operate the onboard hotel, which can accommodate 12 guests plus 4 guest staff. The boat also includes onboard gourmet chef and stewards and stewardesses. The Maltese Falcon was registered in Valletta, Malta in 2006. It completed its trial sail in the Sea of Marmara to the Bosphorus Strait on June 12, 2006, and made its maiden voyage from Turkey to Italy via Malta in July 2006. The Maltese Falcon currently charters for between a $400,000 equals $548,240 to a $420,000 equals $575,652 per week, plus expenses. On November 4, 2007, in a 60 Minutes profile, Perkins suggested the yacht cost more than $150 million, but less than $300 million, refusing to be more specific. Perkins and the yacht were the subject of a prize-winning biography, Mine's Bigger, Tom Perkins and the Making of the Greatest Sailing Machine Ever Built, by Newsweek's David A. Kaplan. The book in 2008 won the prestigious Gerald Loeb Award for Best Business Book of the Year. The Maltese Falcon was listed for sale in 2006 on yachtworld.com, with an asking price of $99 million, with engine hours listed at 1,890 hours. Perkins sold the yacht for £60 million in July 2009. There is now a new and improved Maltese Falcon sailing yacht design concept as unveiled by Perini Navi Italy, complete with the same type of rotating rig. The new 102-meter Falcon yacht design is larger, faster and better according to Perini. The Maltese Falcon Dyno rig. Damon Roberts of Insense Limited was responsible for designing and manufacturing the dyno rig sail system of the Maltese Falcon in the Tuzla shipyard, Turkey. The design, testing and manufacturing of the system was completed over a 3-year period. All aspects of the system were incorporated and tested to ensure that the design and finite element analysis matched the actual loads whilst sailing. Costing $80 million, the dyno rig owes its origin to work done in the 1960s by Wilhelm Paragraph LSS. At the time he believed the system could provide additional propulsion for ships. The dyno rig is effectively a square rig, the mast is freestanding and the yards are connected rigidly to the mast. In this case each mast supports 6 yards. The yards, unlike a conventional square rigger, have built-in camber of 12%. The sails are set between the yards in such a way that when deployed there are no gaps to the sail plan, enabling each mast's sail plan to work as a single sail. The sails, when not deployed, furl into the mast. The sail is trimmed to the wind direction by rotating the mast. As there is no rigging, the yards have no restriction on rotation, and this, taken together with the curved yards, low windage and effective single-piece sail, combine to give the rig improved aerodynamic efficiency compared to a traditional square rigger. The masts are approximately 58 am in height above the bottom bearing. The dyno rig concept calls for an elongated section, and this needs to be symmetrical. As the rig can be tacked to allow flow in both directions, the mast rotates about deck and keel bearings. Insense also incorporated their fiber optical strain monitoring system that monitors the loads on the rigs to ensure that the carbon fiber structures are never overloaded whilst the yacht is sailing. The fiber Bragg grating system was embedded within the rigs during fabrication of the carbon structure. The system monitors the strains in real time and transmits the loads to the bridge such that they are understood whilst sailing. Accidents. The Maltese Falcon was involved in a collision on October 4, 2008, with a 40 ft sloop while sailing on San Francisco Bay in support of the Leukemia Cup. Awards. Some of the awards the Maltese Falcon has won: 2011 Perini Navi Cup, 2009 Perini Navi Cup, 2007 International Super Yacht Society Euro Best SY over 36 m. 2007 Showboats International Award a Euro Highest Technical Achievement in a Sailing Yacht, 2007 Showboats International Award a Euro Best Sailing Yacht Interior, 2007 Showboats International Award a Euro Best Sailing Yacht Over 40, 2007 Showboats International Award a Euro Most Innovative Sailing Yachts, 2007 Boat International World Super Yacht Award a Euro Sailing Yacht of the Year, 2007 Boat International World Super Yacht Award a Euro Best Sailing Yacht 45 m and above, 2007 Boat International World Super Yacht Award a Euro Best Sailing Yacht Interior, 2006 Fila e Motoria Euro Super Yacht dell'Orno 2006 Yacht Capital BMW Award, Notes. Further reading, Kaplan, David A. Mines Bigger, The Extraordinary Tale of the World's Greatest Sailboat and the Silicon Valley Tycoon Who Built It. ISBN 978-06-06-137402-9. The Maltese Falcon, Art of Innovation. TRP Magazines. 2007. PA 240. ISBN A978-0-9556369-0-5. Archived from the original on May 29, 2011. See also, Luxury Yachts, List of large sailing yachts, external links, official website, photo gallery of the Maltese Falcon. Maltese Falcon sails under Golden Gate Bridge, YouTube video, Perini Navi Group official site, Maltese Falcon at marinetraffic.com.